Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet pen holder designs model knitted with wool. Let's start the video. A crochet pen holder is a creative and functional way to organize your desk while adding a handmade touch. You can crochet pen holders in different shapes, sizes, and styles, depending on your preference. Here are some crochet pen holder design ideas. First, simple cylinder pen holders crochet around a tin can or jar for structure. Use single crochet or half double crochet for a neat and prim design. Add a decorative border at the top for a finished look. Hanging wall pen holder, a pocket-style crochet holder that hangs on a wall or board. Can include multiple pockets for extra storage, ideal for saving disk space. Basket-style pen holders, sturdy, round or square-shaped baskets to hold pens and small supplies. T-shirt yarn or thick cotton yarn for a structured look, and a wooden or cardboard base for extra strength. Granny square pen holder. Combine colorful granny squares and stitch them together into a cone. Line them sides with fabric or cardboard for sturdiness, perfect for a Pinterest or buffalo. Mug-shaped pen holders. Crochet a cylindrical holder with a small handle on the side. Mimics the look of a coffee mug. Great for gifting or office decor. Silk stitch or lacy design. Use decorative stitches like silk stitch or puff stitch for a textured, elegant holder. Ideal for a feminine or cottagecore style desk setup. Mini hanging baskets for pens. Crochet small hanging baskets that attach to a big border wall. Can be used for pens, brushes, or small craft supplies. Crocheting a pen holder is a fun and practical project. Here are some tips to make your crochet pen holder sturdy, stylish, and functional. First, choose the right yarn, cotton yarn, best for a prim structure and durability. Use t-shirt yarn, thick and sturdy, great for baskets. Acrylic yarn, soft but may need reinforcement for structure. Use a smaller hook for tight stitches. A smaller hook creates tighter stitches, making the holder firm. Larger hooks may create a looser structure that won't hold shape well. Reinforce for extra strength. Crochet around a jar, tin can or plastic container for sturdiness. Use cardboard or plastic sheets as a base and side to keep it from collapsing. Line it with fabric or fur to prevent spacing over time. Experiment with different stitch patterns. Single crochet, dense and sturdy for a strong hold. Half double crochet or basket stitch adds texture and elegance. Half stitch or bubble stitch gives a unique decorative look. Customize with embellishments, add buttons, beads, or embroidery, or applique for a personal touch. Crochet cute details like flowers, animals, or characters to make it fun. Add a base for stability. A flat, stiff crochet base using a tight stitch will help keep it upright. Reinforce the bottom with a round or square cardboard insert inside. Make a multi-pocket holder. Crochet several small pockets to attach to a larger holder for organizing different items. A hanging version with multiple compartments is great for wall storage. Play with colors and themes. Use gradient or ombre yarn for a stylish look. Chest-type, floral, or geometric designs for variety. Match the colors with your desk or workspace theme. Add a handle or hanging loop. A handle makes it portable for carrying pins between rooms. A loop lets you hang it on the wall to save desk space. Personalizing for gifting. Add details, names, or font motifs to create a thoughtful handmade gift. Make matching crochet office sets with a pen holder, poster, and notebook cover. A crochet pen cover design refers to a handmade phone case created using crochet techniques with yarn on thread. These covers can be customized in different styles, patterns, and colors, making them both functional and stylish. Crocheting a phone cover is a fun and practical project. We think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!